This is an Andean Condor. He's flaring his wings and shaking his stomach. This is a gray-crowned crane. He or she is doing a strut right past us at the front of the enclosure here. And check out that frond of feathers on top. And this bird seems eager to show off. Look at this go. This is the gray-crowned crane again. This bird thinks something is tasty about the aluminum fence here. Either that or thinks we're tasty and is trying to bust out of jail. These are Abyssinian Ground Hornbills. Very literate birds. They enjoy the Sunday paper.